Hello to everyone. My topic is about tracing the curve. Since we have now x squared, meaning this is a parabola. And as what I see, there is a negative of the first term, meaning this is a parabola opening downward. Okay? So I have here y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. Now, we are asked to determine the domain, letter A, letter B, range, letter C, vertex, letter D, axis of symmetry, and then letter E is trace the curve. Okay? So first I have to solve this equation. So this will be y is equal to, I need to isolate, negative 2x squared plus 4x. And then this will be plus 1 outside of the circle brackets. Okay, next will be I have to factor out because there is common between 2 and 4. So I will just write negative outside of the circle brackets. And then this will be positive x squared. Okay? Then, since this is positive, so this will change because there is negative 2 outside. So this will be negative. So this will be 2x. Okay, let us check first. So if I multiply this one, that will be negative 2x squared. Okay, correct? And then, negative 2 times 2x, that will be positive 4x. Okay? So, 2x is from negative 2. So, if we multiply, that will be 4x. And then, plus the last term. And then, this will be plus in here. So, how to find the last term of this quadratic? So, apply completing the square. So, this will be 2 divided by 2 and then square. Okay, 2 divided by 2, that will be 1 and then square. So, this will be equal to 1. So, therefore, this is 1. Okay, so this one will be negative. This will be multiply negative 2 times 3. So, the opposite will be plus 2. Okay? And then, this will be negative 2 and then factor this one. So, since the middle term is negative, so this will be x, then minus. This one will be factors of 1 will be 1, then and then squared. Then this will be plus 3. Okay? So, I have now the equation or the vertex equation. So, I have now, first, I have to name this kind of parabola. Parabola opening upward because the latus rectum is negative 2. So, meaning this is negative. So, this is parabola opening up. Downward. This will be downward because negative. Okay, next will be the domain. What will be the domain of this equation? Domain will be all reals, number. And then how about the range? This is letter A. Then letter B. The range. The range will be at negative infinity and then positive 3. Okay? Then vertex. Vertex will be H and K. Vertex will be positive 1 and then positive 3. What's the next? Axis of symmetry. Axis AOS. This will be D is equal to the H1. And then E will be trace the curve. Okay? So I will trace the curve. This will be Y, then X, then this is Y. So, vertex, positive 1, and then positive 3. X is 1. Then 3 is Y. 1, 2, 3. So, in here. So, this is the parabola opening downward. Okay. So this equation is y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. So this is the vertex. Vertex will be h and k 1 and 3. And then this is the axis of symmetry. This will be x is equal to 1. Okay, this is trace the curve. So this is the curve. Okay. Then let us check this one if we can use another solution to find h and k. So h is equal to negative b over 2a based from the given equation. So we know that a is negative 2, b is positive 4, c is 1. Okay? So plug in b and a. Negative b is 4, then 2 times a is negative 2. So this will be negative 4. Then it's negative 4. So negative, negative, that will be positive. Then 4 divided 4, that is 1. So therefore, h is correct. How about the k? So k is 4ac minus b squared all over by 4a. Okay, plug in ABC in the k. So this will be k formula. So this will be 4 times a, negative 2, and then times c, 1, then minus b squared. So this will be 4 squared, and then 4 times a, negative 2. So negative 8. Then this will be negative 16, right? 4 squared is 16. Then at the bottom is negative 8. So this will be negative 8 and 16, that will be 24, negative 24. Then this will be negative 8. So negative, that will be positive. Then 24 divided by 8, that is 3. So therefore, my k is correct. This is the curve, and then the given are in here. So that's all. Thanks for watching.